There are 3 red flags that you have to look out for when you're going to an Indian psychiatrist for ADHD or for any other condition really. Red flag number 1, if your psychiatrist is not collaborative with you, then that's not the right psychiatrist for you. A good psychiatrist would always be collaborative with you. If he or she is not being collaborative with you, if they are telling you what medication you should take, even if you're apprehensive about it and you feel that they are forcing you about it or convincing you a lot about it, that is a red flag. Your body, your brain, your decision. And if they are trying to override that, they're not the right fit for you, this is a red flag. Second red flag in a psychiatrist is if they are diagnosing you just by looking at you the first instant and they're like, yeah, you're diagnosed. You have anxiety, you have ADHD, you have this, you have that. That is a red flag. If they are very experienced in a particular field, as suppose say ADHD, and they're like, yeah, you might have ADHD, they still should take your clinical history,
your experience,
and then make a judgment based on that. A good psychiatrist would never diagnose you in the first 5-10 minutes of your session and call it a day. They will always go the extra step. Third red flag is a bit subtle one, but you have to notice their language. How are they speaking to you? If you feel your psychiatrist is talking down to you, or if they're using words like willpower, especially if you are someone with ADHD, that is a red flag. That is ableism, period. India में बहुत बड़ा issue ये है कि there are a lot of moral policing people going around, especially the boomers. So if your psychiatrist is a boomer and they are using language that feels demeaning, bring it up to them, and if they don't cooperate or if they don't accept their mistake, run. So these are the 3 red flags I personally think one should look out for when they're going for assessment in ADHD or going to a psychiatrist in general also. I think these 3 are the most basic bare minimum things. If your psychiatrist is not able to fulfill them, that is a red flag, and maybe you should look out for a better fit for you. Don't let them gaslight you into believing otherwise. If you think I've missed any of the red flag, do mention it in the comments so that it can help other people. मुझे तो ये 3 major लगे, so I shared them. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.